Hello everyone, it's Frances with Your Book of Memories. I've got a brand new project to share with you. I cannot believe it. Welcome back, friends. Thank you so much for joining me for this brand new project share. This one is absolutely adorable. I really think you're gonna love it. So I'll be calling this design the Donna Marie Ornament Box. Oh my goodness. And my friend Donna Marie inspired me to do this and asked, Frances, can you figure this out? And this is what I came up with. So we've got an acetate frame right on the front. And did you want to know what paper line I used? Absolutely. Winter Market by Carta Paper Co. Amazing watercolor illustrations. We've got cut apart pages and a cardstock sticker sheet. You know how it goes. This can actually hang up on the tree and you can have your picture cut in a diagonal fashion for that very first introductory picture right there. And this box was so unbelievably fun to make, especially for your beautiful big trees that you have at home. You can hang this right here on the tree and oh my goodness, it just looks so cute. I cannot even believe the combinations of different paper pads you can use to kind of tie in your modern or vintage style decorating on your tree. Oh my goodness. Merry Christmas, happy holidays to everyone. This can come together in one day and it can hold 16 pictures. Right off the bat, you have a beautiful big picture space right here. And it flips over and I got those cute little sticker elements. Of course, you could slide your pictures behind there. And then we have this wonderful flap right here. I created a cute little pocket as well. Got a cute, oh my gosh, I can't even believe it. Look at this little guy. A little bit of twine in there and a cute pocket. You know I can't help my journaling lines right here, and I definitely have the entire tutorial ready to go, and I'll leave that as a link in the description box for you. Hello Winter, I just cut that right out of the cut aparts page, and this is another sticker. Love that camera stamp. That is the Echo Park camera stamp from the Wedding Bliss Clear Mount Stamp Collection. You give it another flip and again, look at these cute, oh my gosh. I can't help myself with chalk marker and journaling pen, so here I went. I just went crazy. Sledding party, I can see all kinds of different family photos in here. And if you've never sat in class with me before, I do have a free tutorial here on my YouTube channel, so you can go ahead and see what it's like. And again, this does not have to be only Christmas theme. It could be any theme that you want. And I have an adorable little penguin right there, a winter sticker, and another snowflake. Oh my gosh, I love the way that this moves. It kind of flaps around here and almost kind of explodes at you. This has like sort of a pinwheel pop-up sort of feeling. Right here again, some more snowflakes, and I was able to get this nice cut apart to fit right on this waterfall flap. Oh my goodness, coffee or hot cocoa. And look. And yes, stay cozy right at the end. I cannot get over these trees. I love the way everything folds right back up. It can fit on your Christmas tree perfectly. And if you are totally into small projects, you'll really love this one right here. And thank you everyone. Happy holidays. Remember to take your vitamin C, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.